So students, now let's start our next worksheet about pronoun. Yes, now this worksheet you need to write in your worksheet notebook. All must write and practice. Underline the pronoun and state its kind. Now from here you have to read one sentences and you have to start recognizing where is the pronoun and which kind of pronoun it is. So let's start with number 1. Those are ripe mangoes. Yes. So which are ripe mangoes? Those are ripe mangoes. So those will be our pronoun. Yes. And mangoes is our noun. Is farer from the noun. Again and again I am saying you pronouns are always farer from the noun. So those are ripe mangoes. So we are pointing out which mangoes? Those. So in this sentence those will come as demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Next sentence. Those toys are theirs. Whose toys? Theirs. Yes, those toys are theirs. Now here we are thinking here teacher has underlined those, but here why not? Because here toy is a noun and it is next to the noun. So it is an adjective. So in this sentence those will come as an adjective, but theirs will come as a pronoun. Whose toys? Theirs. Yes, it is farer from the noun. So in this sentence theirs will come as a possessive pronoun. Whose? Theirs. Possessive pronoun. Next sentence. That is a beautiful dress. Which dress? That. That is a beautiful dress. So which dress is beautiful? That dress. So now again here we are pointing out, and dress is far, noun is far, that is farer from the noun, right? So in this sentence that will come as demonstrative pronoun. Next, number 4. Bruce shut himself in a cave. Yes, now where is the noun? Bruce is the name of a boy. He shut himself in a cave. So himself will come as reflexive. I told you himself, ourselves, itself, themselves. These all are known as reflexive pronouns. So here you will underline himself and here you will write himself and then you will write it's an reflexive pronoun. Then next sentence, number 5. Which is your class? So here we are asking question. Which is your class? Right? Now class is a noun. So next, it is farer from the question word. So which is the question word? Which? Here we are asking question. So in this sentence, which will come as an interrogative pronoun. So here we will underline which and then we are going to write interrogative pronoun. Next sentence. They are eating raw mangoes. Yes, here what we are talking about somebody. Yes, they. So they will be our personal pronoun. Underline they and write it's a personal pronoun. Next sentence, number 7. It is a beautiful city. Now again here we are talking about a city. Yes. So city is a non-living, so that's why we have used it. Yes, so underline it and it will come as personal pronoun. Underline it and write here personal pronoun. Next, number 8. The dog is mine. Now here we are talking about a dog, right? Whose dog? Mine. So the dog is mine. So here we are writing, this dog is mine. Here we are talking about this dog. This dog is mine. So here I will underline mine and I will write here whose dog it is? Mine. So it is a possessive pronoun. Next, that house is ours. Whose house is that? Ours. So again we will underline ours and we will write it is far from the noun, you can see. So ours will come as again possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Next, I washed the car myself. So again, I is a subject. I washed the car myself. Yes, so myself will come as an reflexive pronoun and I will be our personal pronoun. So you underline I and write here personal pronoun. And here myself will come as reflexive pronoun. Then number 11. We have enjoyed ourselves. Yes, so again we are talking about we, it's a subject. Yes, again it's a pronoun we, and when we are talking, it's reflecting a subject ourselves. Yes, so we will become as personal pronoun. And ourselves will come as reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Next, the refrigerator defrosts itself. Yes, we know what is the meaning of defrost. Yes, we defrost our refrigerator so that all the extra snow or all the extra ice are coming out and our fridge becomes clean. Yes, the refrigerator defrosts itself. So itself will come as reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Then, these are my shoes. Whose shoes? My shoes. But my will not come as a pronoun. Yes. So, where are my shoes? These are my shoes. Yes, we are pointing out. These are my shoes. We are pointing out. These are my shoes. So, these will come as demonstrative pronoun. Okay. My will come as an adjective, not a pronoun. Now here. Now, we enjoyed hearing her song. Yes. We enjoyed hearing her song. So here what will come? We will come as personal pronoun. Yes. Whose song? Her song. So again her will not come in this. Her we can't write as a pronoun. Yes, it's an adjective. So here we can say we as a personal pronoun. He is from Ireland. So here we are talking about he. He is a pronoun. So he will come as personal pronoun. So students, this we learnt about our pronoun. We learnt about personal pronoun. We learnt about demonstrative pronoun. We learnt about possessive pronoun. We learnt about interrogative and reflexive. So this exercise you are going to write in your worksheet notebook. Thank you. In this worksheet, students, by mistake, the possessive spelling will be P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-E-V. So wherever we have written the possessive spelling, please do correction. P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-V-E, possessive pronoun. Yes, the spelling of possessive pronoun will be P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-V-E. Yes, so we need to do the correction of the possessive spelling. P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-V-E, possessive pronoun.